Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So we make a video about the upcoming Nokia smartphone, the Nokia 9.3 peer review, but now a new leaked render give us our best look of the Nokia 7.3. The Nokia 7.3 that we have been hearing about for a few months was rumored to be unveiled at the Nokia September 22 events, but that did not happen as the company only introduced the Nokia 2.4, Nokia 3.4, and while we wait for an official word about the Nokia 7.3, its CAD-based render have been leaked by OnLeaks, revealing its design. The Nokia 7.3 packs a punch-hole display which according to the leak star measures 6.5-inch diagonal and has full HD plus resolution. The plastic back of the phone houses 4 cameras inside a circular module with the LED flash placed on their left side and fingerprint scanner right below. The right from for the Nokia 7.3 is a home to the volume rocker and power key, and at the bottom is the USB Type-C port flanked by a speaker and microphone. The 3.5mm headphone jack is located at the top with what appears to be the secondary mic. The source claimed that the Nokia 7.3 measure 165.8 by 76.3 by 8.2mm, and it's rumored to come with the Snapdragon 790 SoC, 24 megapixel selfie camera and 48 megapixel primary backside camera, and 4000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. So on September 22, Nokia has launched Nokia 3.4 and 2.4. The Nokia 3.4 is come with a 6.39-inch LCD display with IPS LCD, and it has a Android 10 and it will upgrade it to Android 11, and it has Snapdragon 460 octa-core 1.8 GHz with a Cortex A73 and A53 Adreno 610, and it has a 32 GB storage with a 3 GB of RAM, 64 GB with 3 GB of RAM, and 64 GB with a 4 GB of RAM. Backside has 3 camera, and in the front it has a 8 megapixel single camera, 4000 mAh battery with a charging 10 volt. The next phone is the Nokia 2.4 with the launch with the same Nokia 3.4 in September 22 event, and it has a 6.5-inch IPS LCD with Android 10, planned to upgrade to Android 11, MediaTek MT6762 Helio P22 chipset with octa-core 2.0 GHz and Cortex A53. It has a 2 variant, 32, 64, 32 with a 2 gigs and 64 with a 3 gigs of RAM. Backside 2 cameras, 8 and 2 megapixel. Front is the 5 megapixel single camera, and it has 4500 mAh battery. So this is the upcoming latest news about the upcoming Nokia 7.3 and the 3.4 and 2.4 news. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.